Welcome to this video in our Explainer series. This video will introduce you to the conceptual ideas, capabilities and use cases for sovereign identities and digital wallets. Digital identities are key components of the XFSC toolbox developed as part of the Gaia-X Federation Services project. Today, we often struggle when using many different online systems with individual profiling, access handling and security requirements. We want to enjoy easy access to our different accounts and share data only on the basis of clear agreements. Nevertheless, every day we interact online in a lot of different ways. Purchasing goods, managing our bank accounts, interacting with our insurance companies, and so on. We share large sets of our data in order to be onboarded to an online ecosystem and use online services. It is hard to know which companies have our data and how they are using it. How can we stay in control? This is where sovereign identities comes in. Self-sovereign identities are a new approach to manage personal data online. Put in simple terms, self-sovereign identities empower data owners to keep control over their data. Let's look into how this works. A digital identity acts as a virtual fingerprint, representing an individual, organization, or a system online. It includes various characteristics unique to each entity. Each person or organization can have different digital identities with a set of attributes like birthday, nationality, email, and home address, depending on the context in which those identities are used. One key aspect of the self-sovereign identity concept is the Decentralized Identifier, DID. In the self-sovereign identity ecosystem, DIDs are unique and globally recognizable addresses and can be referenced with additional attributes. In addition to DIDs, the self-sovereign identity concept incorporates verifiable credentials and presentations. These are used to validate information. Verifiable credentials are essentially statements about a subject, such as someone having a driver's license. They include additional details like expiration date or license issuer. Verifiable credentials can then be bundled into verifiable presentations for more comprehensive verification. When using a digital wallet, the user decides which information to share with a third party. Take, for example, the interaction between a job candidate and a potential employer. During the application process, the job candidate has claimed in their CV to hold a degree from a certain university. The employer may need to confirm certain details provided by the candidate, such as their university certificate. However, the candidate may prefer not to disclose unrelated information like past addresses or specific grades. Using a digital wallet, the candidate can selectively share essential information, such as the university address and the official degree confirmation, ensuring privacy and relevance in the verification process. Such a selective disclosure can be managed for any use case. If you want to learn more, visit www.gxfs.eu. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the Gaia-X community.